Hello everyone, Petalisbless here. Welcome back to my channel. Today's DIYs are part of the Glam Elegant Living Society collab hosted by Really Good Living. And it's the fall edition for 2020. Now I will have the playlist and everything linked below for you guys to check out the other participants who are doing this collab with us today. Oh boy, I am so excited, you guys. So, you know what time it is. It's time to let's get into what I'm doing for today's DIYs. Alright everyone, I have these pumpkins and acorns here that I am just gonna paint and glam up. I'm gonna use some white acrylic paint to paint them, and then we're just gonna add some sparkles. Yes, I love sparkles. So I'm just quickly adding the paint, and then I'll be adding the sparkles to the paint while I'm painting them. Yes, I'm not going to use any Mod Podge. I'll be using the paint to hold the sparkle in. And here we go, adding the sparkles, just glamming them up. And now for DIY number 1, we are going to revamp this basket. Yes, it's a porcelain basket. Yes. I'm gonna revamp it with this bling wrap that we have from Totally Dazzle, and I'm just gonna use some hot glue. You know, it's just a quick revamp. I love the basket as it is, just want a little different touch, and you know, with the hot glue you have the option to remove it later on if you choose to. Yeah, because you know, porcelain is very pretty. It is, you guys. But I just want a different little look, so I'm going to glam it up. So I'm going to use some of this bling wrap here also that I was gifted. I'm not sure. People tell me that you can find it on Amazon. I haven't been able to find it, but you know, I have it, so I'll be using it. And again, like I said, I'm using some hot glue. And OMG, look here, doesn't this revamp look beautiful? Oh, time to add the flowers now. So I have these flowers here that I got from the Dollar Tree. They're Halloween flowers, and I had these silver ones from before. I'll be using them to decorate our basket. And you know, I'm just sliding them in to one side. You know, like if you have a basket and you're walking through the meadow and you're just holding your basket in your hand and putting flowers in, they go to one side. That's the idea I have, and that's what I'm doing right here. And I think it's looking lovely so far. And here is the back of the basket. So I have these little rose petals that I got from, I think it was the Dollar Tree. Yes, the Dollar Tree I got them from. I'm just adding them to add a little height, because I'm just going to add some flowers without the stems and rest them here to give it a nice little added touch so the basket's not too flat at the back. And here is our finished look. I think it looks absolutely beautiful. A lovely piece of fall decor to spruce up your, anywhere you want to place it, on your coffee table, entry table, on your dining table, anywhere you like to put it. I don't like traditional fall colors. I do think they look lovely, but you know, I'm a glam girl, so I go for the glam colors. And I think the basket looks absolutely beautiful. And I put some of the acorns and pumpkins in the basket too. And of course, some on the table beside my basket. Oh, I think it's a lovely piece of fall decor. Right up my alley. And here it is on the coffee table. Just wanted to show you how to display it. I think it looks absolutely beautiful. And then the pumpkins are all around the coffee table also. Fall decor. Not your traditional colors, but the colors to what suits me. And remember, it's your home. You do what you like to do, what makes you comfortable. Your home is your castle. Decorate it and feel warm and comfortable within your space. I love how they turned out. I think it looks absolutely beautiful. Alright, Glamsters, now for our Glam DIY number 2. And these are the items that we'll be using. Okay, so we have our canvas board here, and our canvas board is 18 by 24. Yeah, and then I have these self-adhesive mirror sheets. Yeah, I got them from Amazon, and they are flexible. Right now there's a piece of plastic over them, so that's why they look blurry, which we will remove at the end of putting our DIY together. So now I'm just placing the mirrored sheets in the pattern that I want them to be in. So they do have the self-adhesive on the back. Just use an X-Acto knife and take them off. But I will be adding some E6000 to each sheet as I glue it down. You could use any adhesive as you would like for your project. And now that they're all down, we'll be using some of this pink glam chain from BeeBeeCraft to add to our decor. So I'm just going to measure out the strips, cut them, and use some E6000 and glue them down. Next, I'll be using some small glitter, little fine glitter, if you can see that, along with some Mod Podge. And I'll be adding it to the center of our decor. And I'll also be adding it to the side of our canvas. At the side where you can see right here, I'll be adding it to the sides going all the way around. And then I will let this dry. Everyone, my battery died on me and I did not know. I was recording, putting down the crushed glass. All I did was add some more Mod Podge. And then I put down the crushed glass. And as you see, I'm pressing it down here. Okay, I let the crushed glass dry for a bit. So now I'm going to add some more Mod Podge to help seal in the crushed glass. And now I'm going to add some of the rose gold glitter to our decor. And I'm also going to add some silver glitter to our decor. A mixture of both. Some rose gold and some silver. And now I have these little crystal beads that I'm adding. I think I got them from Dollarama. And I'm just going to add them to our mixture. And then I'll set aside to let it dry for a few hours. Okay, now our mixture is dry. I'm just removing the plastic sheets. Remember I told you there was plastic over the mirrors. So that's what I'm doing. Just using my X-Acto knife and take up the plastic. And then take it off. And then I'll just clean up any little thing I see that's sticking to the mirror. I will just clean it up. And here is our glam mirror. I think it turned out very nice. I love how it looks. It looks very nice. So I'm going to show you where I'm putting this glam mirror. I made it for my daughter for her hair salon room. Yes, so I'm going to share with you how it looks. And here it is. I think it looks lovely on the wall. Her salon is pink and white. Yep, that is her theme. So that's why I made the mirror with the pink crushed glass. And I think it looks absolutely lovely in her space. I love how the crushed glass turned out. And then the strips from BeeBeeCraft going in between the mirrors. Absolutely beautiful. Look at the crushed glass with the glitter and all that glam up inside. I think it looks really glam and nice. A lovely mirror for her space. So I hope you enjoyed the 2 DIYs I had for our Glam Elegant Living Society collab for fall 2020. I had fun doing these DIYs, and like I told you, I'm not your traditional fall girl, as you guys know, but to each his own. You know, make yourself happy, and that's all that counts. And I will have a link below, like I said before, to the collab of the ladies, and I hope all of you had fun doing this collab with us. Yes, I do. I can't wait to go over and watch the rest of the videos for this collab. So leave me a comment down below and tell me what you think of my 2 DIYs that I did today. And if you're not subscribed, I hope you will hit that subscribe button, and don't forget to hit the bell so you'll be notified every time I upload another DIY to share. And thank you for coming on and seeing today's DIY. And remember, as always, stay blessed from Petalisbless, and I will catch you on the next one. Bye bye everyone.